so it doesn't matter which one, but it's meaning something will be on background. We can actually replace even with the image of house or attic, so when you look inside you actually can see this. So let's go ahead, and then next what we're going to do it is just select our sides, and this will be our wood, and you notice we have it internal, so we have it all this assigned kind of to us. First, this is a ring one, so let's go ahead and create it material or load it from what we have it. We'll just use the wood plank one. Okay, let's take our main camera and move closer to the window so I can preview how it will look close up. Okay, the one thing on around, you notice we may have a wood grain which going, but then currently it's look okay. Okay, also we have it right here some on a glass, so maybe I want to replace this glass with something else. So let's go have it another glass, and maybe something with heavier. Okay, we'll go to transparency and just pop up more towards diamond kind of. So right here we have it some more reflective on the glass. Okay, so next also, okay, right here, okay, let me go ahead, copy this material. Okay, we'll select the sides and we'll pasting. Okay, we have the material applied to this, and okay, we'll select again, go inside, and right here we have it kind of those crosses. So let's figure out something better with those crosses so we can have a different type of the color done for them. First, let's load material from what we have it, and we'll use it, maybe this one plank 2, so we can preview. You can see the different coloring on this. Okay, and I kind of like this, so we'll keep it, copy this one, and we'll go to paste to replace other one if you want it. And because we separated, you kind of can go ahead and probably just assign all different materials. Okay, let me Control Z undo this. Okay, so we have it. That one, actually, you know what? Let me go create all materials same. Yeah, I think this way a little bit better. But anyway, if you're interested, you can go ahead and how we separate, you can apply different ones. Okay, let's create center again, and actually center I want to apply same for everything. So I'll just copy this one and I'll just paste on all other materials as well. So I'll just replace. There you go. Okay, so next let's go ahead and work a little bit on here, and this actually I want same color as this one, so we'll just copy this material, we'll paste it as well. Now we have it vertical plank, so I created one right here, and I will copy this vertical plank and apply it to this material as well. So you can notice how when we start working we kind of can reuse same material over and over in some other cases. Okay, again, remember what we're doing right now, it's extreme close up, so when we start working This is model designed for a little bit far away, so it will materials look better. But if you want it, you can spend a little bit more time to be sure them it's look very even close up, look very nice. Okay, so right now we're almost done. We have very few details right here. So let's kind of finish with them. So let's go ahead, take this one top, and I want just apply to vertical wood to this. Nothing fancy, so we'll go ahead and select, and I used the same as we used the one before. So we'll just apply to this one. We'll copy this material and we'll go ahead and apply to other ones as well. Normally, sometimes when I do, you can apply almost color kind of over them so they will look more colorful, but this is our kind of werewolf house, so it's everything must be kind of darkish look. We also, when we combine them, we want to reduce scale again on those. Okay, so right here, and I think one more vertical I want to apply to these posts, so we'll post right here. And now right here we have a roof. Oops. So let me select this roof. Okay, for this one, let's go ahead and see what we can do. We can just open edit. We'll go again, map it picture. Okay, and let's see which one best to apply for us. So I think maybe actually this one will work plank very well, except I won't make it horizontal, so you can see how we apply. Kind of going very interesting this way. Okay, and a couple things let's do. First, we needed to reduce saturation, make it lighter so it's kind of look more wearing out. Okay, let's go reduce our highlights. We'll go in a bump, and we also go ahead and same things as we did before. We create image, we go ahead and take a bump map, and remember we needed to rotate this bump map so it's applied properly. Great scale. Okay, we'll add it right here and add our scale as well. Maybe just slightly reduce in size. Okay, next I want to go ahead and add a dirt level to this as well. So let's preview. Here we have a very nice roof, but it's missing some moss on that roof. So let's go ahead, add our moss that we just created. Okay, there you go. So we have it kind of matching so water can go down. Right here, this edge, we can actually go ahead and copy our material. Okay, and just apply it to this edge as well. Okay, now with the door we actually have quite a bit interesting thing. So we have it our outside frame and outer frame. What I want to do, I will go to use it out of this plank. Okay, only I want to reduce amount of dirt and this on that plank. Okay, next we have it door, and we have it side. So let's go ahead and a door. We'll go to picture. Okay, and we'll just use it some other picture. We have it, and here's a couple of things I want to show you. If you don't have a bump map, you can connect to your image and use it grayscale. Okay, it's not necessarily always will represent correctly bump map, but it does help you bring kind of easier to your bumps. So it's kind of something will be look there with, and we'll set on object parametric. So look, we have a very nice door looking right there. Okay, maybe you know what, let's go to reduce this to maybe a 6. Okay, let me take my main camera and bring it down so I can see how's my door will look. Okay, in many cases, it's harder in the beginning before you start creating your materials. After materials done, you will notice you start using them more and more. So right here, actually, I like how the door looking. Okay, we could change our door in the future if you want it. But for now, I just want to leave it like this. Okay, also highlights, maybe change to a little bit yellow color. Okay, let's go to add dirt, and also let's add moss as well to this door as well. So right here. Okay, next what we have it side, and we have it this one, and that one will just use it plank wood 2. Okay, and same will just decrease. Okay, there you go. Okay, let's preview. So right here we have a very nice door. Now we need to work a little bit on this porch. Okay, and let's go ahead, just select it. Okay, we'll select the porch. Also, I notice we could take this porch and just slightly position down. So there you go. Okay, and for that one, probably we can use actually vertical wood. So let's go ahead, select here, copy. Okay, we'll go down and we'll just paste it. And we'll go ahead, add dirt layer to this. So right here we have a very nice looking porch. Okay, so next work it is on the windows. Okay, we have it same things right here, holding, and let me see if we, okay, this is all the same. And one thing, if you notice, when it's imported, it's kind of separating, and we have it even in the same group, so I want to group them together. Okay, let's go see what we have. We have it, this is still in same group. Okay, this is all in same group. Actually, Control G, and let's bake this. Okay. We still have some plank on the middle, so let me copy this material because we still this one, and we can paste here. Okay. Check on the pool, and okay, this is our glass. Okay. And also we have it right here. This one, it's what I want. I want just paste material right here, and maybe a dirt layer just in case. Okay, so we kind of done here, only we need to work a little bit more on a glass. So we continue with this in our next tutorial.